Daja Hahawan. Oh, look at that. Very progressive place or district in Taichung. I like Daja. So, itong tindahan na ito guys, ay makikita mo, katabi lang ng Jianlan Temple. Ang daming mga souvenirs na pwedeng bilhin. Talagang masaya at bagong-bago sa mga mata, lalong-lalo na sa mga turista. But you have to ask kung pwede mo bang bilhin ang isang bagay. Kasi syempre, pag hindi tayo Buddhist, hindi natin alam ang purpose ng mga bagay na to. So, you just have to ask kung pwede ba. Pero talagang refreshing siya, bagong-bago para sa mga turista. Finally, open na sila. Yay! Let's go inside. At kain na tayo kasi medyo gutom na po ako. Kumakain ka ba ng kambing? Ito ang pinakamasarap dito sa Daja, Taichung. After Daja, we're here in our hotel, and that's Chan's hotel. Thank you, Club, for our hotel. I can't wait to see our room. Let's go. So here we are in our hotel. This is Chan's hotel in Taichung. I think the location is really nice. So this is best for solo travelers, but for family na may car, wala kasi siyang parking space, so mahirap siya. Lalo na kapag wala kang mahanap, paano na, diba? Yung mga toiletries, ikaw mismo yung kukuha sa baba. So, from Klook, hanapin nyo ito. Just search Chan's Hotel on Klook. And don't forget to use my code HELLOPHILTHAI for discount. So, breakfast time. Here na sa napaka-famous na sa flower market, and I hope maganda yung makikita natin today kasi syempre excited tayo na pumunta dito. Okay, so let's see and go around. Lalakad po kami papuntang isang night market na hindi ko pa napuntahan ever. And along the way, eto, may nakita kami simbahan. It looks so simple and nice. So, yeah, another discovery here in Taichung. Welcome to Yitongje Yeshu. This place feels like shopping night market. 3:07, we went to Lavender Cottage in Hsinchu, and after 17 years, andito kami sa Lavender Forest in Taichung. Let's go. Sa Lavender Forest, medyo malayo na talaga from Taichung Station, and yung hotel namin is nasa Taichung Station lang, pero napaka worth it kasi like this soap, talagang good idea siya. Imagine mo, may soap ka na, may scrub ka pa. This is a loofah soap, so napakabango ng lavender. And then if you have this coin, kasi pag sa entrance pa lamang, meron ka ng discount coupon, and this one discount coin. So each coin 100 NT. So this example, this is 290. So magiging 190 na lang siya pag gamitan mo ng isang coin. So isang coin lang po. So talagang good idea siya. Napakaganda, napaka-cute. Wow!
这个徐大姐炸香香炸鸡的。
Taichung 真的好玩。